Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to English class. Okay, children. In previous class, we have completed pronouns and we completed these 4C and 4D exercises in companion also about pronouns. What are the pronouns we learned, children? Tell me. See here in studio, page number 60. It's there. He, she, I, you, it. Okay, these all are the pronouns we learned in the previous class. Now we came to the end part of the pronouns, children, that is summary. See now, fill in the blanks with the pronouns to complete these sentences. That means what you have to do? You have to fill these blanks with the pronouns. Okay, shall we do, children? Okay, let's see. Now, I like cricket dash play the game with my friends. Here, to whom I am talking? ఎవరి కోసం మాట్లాడుతున్నాను? నా కోసం నేను చెప్తున్నాను. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ ఐ టాకింగ్ టు మై సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ మై సెల్ఫ్, నేను నా కోసం చెప్తే ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలి ప్రొనౌన్? ఎస్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ఐ. ఐ మీన్స్ నేను. ఓకే, రీడ్ ద సెంటెన్స్ నౌ. I like cricket. I play the game with my friends. Next one. Ravi is a nice boy. Dash is my friend. I am talking about Ravi. Ravi means boy or a girl? Yes, boy. For boys, what pronoun we will use, children? Yes, the pronoun we will use is he. He, he. And next, Rohini is a bright girl. Dash works hard. Rohini means, yes, she is a girl. What pronoun we will use? Yes, we will use she. She works hard. Okay, next one. Thank you. Dash are the best. That means I am talking about the person who is in front of me. That means nuvu. Okay, nuvu means we will use yes, you. You are the best. And next one, the desk is brown in color. Okay, that means the desk, the non-living thing. What we will use? The desk is boy or a girl? No, not a boy, not a girl, and not the person also. That means what we have to use for non-living things? Yes, we will use it. It, it. Okay, now see, children, in down. List all the pronouns you have used. Okay, that means what the pronouns you have used in this, you have to list here. That means simply you have to write. First one, I. Second one, he, he. Next one, she, she. Fourth one, you. Fifth one, it. Like this you have to write, children. Okay, in summary, we completed these blanks and we listed out these pronouns. Now turn your pages, children. Page number 62. In page number 62, 4.8 pep activities there, children. See, here are some birds and animals that Harry saw at the farm. The first letter of the each name is missing. Fill in the blank to complete each name. That means these are the birds and animals Harry saw in the ఫామ్. అంటే ఫామ్లో ఈ యానిమల్స్ అండ్ బర్డ్స్ని హ్యారీ చూసాడనమాట. ఇందులో ఈ బర్డ్స్లో ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ మిస్సింగ్ అనమాట. దట్ మీన్స్ ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్డ్ ఈస్ మిస్సింగ్. నవ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కంప్లీట్ దీస్ బ్లాంక్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, సీ వాట్ ద బర్డ్ ఈస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్? S. Eagle. Do you know the spelling of the eagle? Yes, you all know. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. And this one? Yes, see, its eye is very big, no? Yes, it is owl. O-W-L. Owl. And next one, what is this? It will speak also sometimes, isn't it? Yes, parrot. Parrot. And what is this? We will have this animal as our pet. Yes, what is this? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Okay, children. Now see, read aloud each sentence given below. You have to read these sentences loudly. I will repeat after me. I have a dog. I see an owl. I want a parrot. See, children, observe the highlighted letters A and A. A dog, an owl, and parrot. Observe the A and an before each noun in these sentences. These are yes, articles. What we will call them as? Articles. A and an are articles. Now they are used with the nouns that are one in number. Okay, that means if the noun is one in number, noun means what? Any name. Isn't it? దేనినైనా నేమ్ని మనం నౌన్ అని అంటాం. ఆ నౌన్స్ ఒక్కటే ఉంటే, ఒక్కటే మీన్స్ see here, ఏ dog, only one dog, an owl, only one owl, and a parrot, one parrot. Okay, we will use these articles in front of the nouns. Here these are nouns, we will use them in front of the nouns. If that one is one in number, ఒక్కటే ఉంటే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Now see, pronounce the D sound as in dog. Again, everyone pronounce dog. Dog. It as a consonant sound. Examples of such words are B. B as in baby and D as in day. The article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. What do you mean by consonant, children? Tell me. The English alphabet is divided into two. That means, see, we will have A to Z alphabet. Isn't it? A to Z వరకు మనకు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ A to Z లో A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. What? Vowels. We will call them as vowels. And remaining letters means, tell me, children. A is completed. Next one, B, C, D, F, G, H and I is there, no? Like that. ఇవి కాకుండా మిగిలిన లెటర్స్ అన్నిటిని కాన్సనెంట్స్ అంటాం. Okay, consonants means in that consonant B is there, D is there, H is there. Those sounds, okay, words ఉంటే సరిపోదు, ఇంకొకటి ఆ సౌండ్స్ రావాలి. Hope that you all know the all letter sounds. Okay, the article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound means ఈ vowels కాకుండా మిగిలిన వాటికి వచ్చే సౌండ్స్ని కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్ అంట. ఏదైనా వర్డ్ దాంతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతే కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్ we will call. And see, for example, a cat meows. See, a cat here, cat, k sound we are using, and that sound is not here in the vowel. That's why we are using pronounce the S sound as in eagle. Okay, E sound in eagle. It has a vowel sound. Vowel sound here, its letter also it's there and sound also is there. Examples of such sounds are E as in and O as in owl. Okay, That means here we are continuously using the vowel sounds. For that vowel sounds we will use an. For consonant sound we will use an in front of the nouns if the noun is 1 in number. Okay children, is it clear? What we will do? మనము ఒక్కటే నౌన్ ఉంటే దానికి ముందు ఏ యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఎప్పుడు కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, యాన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఎప్పుడు వోవెల్ సౌండ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు. సి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ an elephant trumpets. Elephant, here the vowel sound we are getting an a. Okay, and a. These are the articles we have learned children. And next one, see for the color the nouns that take articles a or an before them. That means see children, in companion page number 36 companion, what it's there? Color the nouns. Use blue for nouns that take a before them. Use yellow for those that take an before them. Two have been done for you. That means what you have to do children? See here some nouns they have given. కొన్ని పేర్లు వీళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు. కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతే, కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్తో వర్డ్ ఉంటే దానికి ఏ పెట్టాలి. ఏ మీన్స్ వాట్? బ్లూ కలర్. బ్లూ కలర్తో కలర్ చేయాల్సి నేమ్. నేమ్. ఓకే, న్ దట్ ఈస్ అ కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్, నేమ్. అండ్ యాన్ మీన్స్ we have to use orange color, not orange, yellow color. See the word, tell me orange. Orange means what children? Yes, orange. Orange means the word is starting with the vowel sound, isn't it? Yes, like that you have to color. Once again I am writing here children vowels and consonants. Please listen. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels and consonants. Consonants means B, C, D, H. Okay, B, C, D, H. I is not there. Okay children, see this. These are the vowels and these are the remaining letters of the alphabet. See B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are vowel sounds you have to find out, and these are the consonant sound. This is your homework children, you have to color. Okay, if the noun will takes the A means you have to color it in blue color. If the noun takes the an means you have to color it in an yellow color. Okay, do this one as homework children. Okay, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, ఏ వర్డ్స్కి అయితే వోవెల్ సౌండ్ తీసుకుంటుందో దానికి ముందు ఏ పెట్టాలి. ఏ పెట్టాలి అన్న వర్డ్స్కి బ్లూ కలర్ చెయ్యండి. అండ్ ఏ వర్డ్ అయితే కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్ తీసుకుంటుందో, కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్ తీసుకున్న వాటికి ఏ పెట్టాలి. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్ అంటే దీస్ లెటర్స్. ఓకే, దీస్ లెటర్ సౌండ్స్ తీసుకున్న వాటికి ఏ పెట్టాలి. అలాగే బ్లూ కలర్ కలర్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ఇఫ్ ద వర్డ్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ వోవెల్ సౌండ్ తీసుకుంటుంది అన్న వర్డ్కి ముందు యాన్ పెడతాం. యాన్ పెట్టిన వర్డ్స్కి మనం ఏమి చేయాలి? ఎల్లో కలర్ చేయాలి. సి ఆల్రెడీ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ 2. సి and next one here elephant is there. Elephant means we are getting vowel sound. Vowel sound means we will take a or an. Yes, we will take an. An means what color we have to color? Yes, we have to color this elephant word with yellow, like that children. Okay, do this homework and complete all these exercises whatever we have discussed in the class. Okay, send to me in WhatsApp. Hope you all understood this class, children. If you are having any doubts, please contact me. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.